In my top 5 RC crawlers entering into the 2022 video, I had picked Element Knightrunner as my 4th overall choice. Welcome back to Pixel Hobbies. Recently I took a quick poll asking my viewers between the Element Knightrunner and the Traxxas TRX4 2021 Bronco, which content you would like to see more of. The Element Knightrunner was the overwhelming favorite by 2-to-1 margin. In my top 5 RC crawlers entering into the 2022 video, I had picked Element Knightrunner as my 4th overall choice and calling it as the best scale RTR truck with performance. The biggest pro being the unlicensed Gen 3 Toyota Tacoma body with tons of aftermarket scale parts from Knight Customs and the trusty performance features found on other Enduro line. I also mentioned that IFS, while offering realism, it does sit quite low, especially with the 3.85-inch tall general tires, and it suffers on the front end axle clearance. Ultimately, I said that at $430, it's hard to beat Element Knightrunner if you're looking for a scale RTR truck with performance. If you have not yet seen my review, please check out the video. The link is posted at the top right corner. Since this RTR is pretty much ready to go out of the box with a painted body, installed electronics, and a transmitter, it just requires a few items such as 4 AA batteries for the transmitter and a battery pack for the truck. So let's dive into the unboxing of the Element Knightrunner. One thing, like all Element RC before, be careful while opening the box, as the box itself has a special feature. It doubles as a scale garage, a great feature from the Element RC. Since there are tons of unboxing videos out there on Element Knightrunner, I won't spend too much time on this, but here are the components that actually comes in the box. So you have the transmitter, the manual for the transmitter, and comes with a plug to set the receiver. In the box there was a bunch of screws and pins and nuts. The manual and the sticker sheets, decal sheets, and a bunch of accessories. There's the rooftop tent, the rear tray. Also comes with front axle housing if you want to convert into a straight axle. Has the longer battery tray, snorkel, and such. But let's get down to the meat of the business. At first glance, the Knightrunner resembles very close to the Gen 3 Toyota Tacoma body, although it's unlicensed body. It features injection molded grille, mirrors, door handles, wipers, and more that adds an incredible level of detail to the body. The included decal sheets include a variety of additional overland style graphics and sponsor logos to make it easy to personalize the truck. Combine the body with the officially licensed scale parts from the industry-leading aftermarket brands DeMello Off-Road, Frontrunner, MagnaFlow, and General Tire, and you have a rig that delivers the highest level of scale realism possible. Knightrunner comes with the 1.55-inch plastic beadlock wheels with the licensed General Grabber tires, and it's 3.85 inches tall. It's a grayscale looking tires that seem to match the proportion of the truck really well, so I plan to try it out. From my previous experiences with the General Grabber tires, it's a bit on the firm side, but once it's broken in, it actually does fairly well, especially with a bit of modification. The wheel is mounted with a 12mm hex system, so most aftermarket wheels will easily mount up if you want to upgrade the wheels or tires or both. The Knightrunner boasts many of the same performance features found on many of our other trail-proven vehicles. The Stealth X transmission, IFS independent front suspension, threaded aluminum shocks, and up to 45 degrees of steering round out the chassis. As for electronic, it comes with Reedy SC480X ESC, a 5-slot 16-turn Reedy motor, and a high-torque Metal Gear 1320 MG servo, and you have a decent electronics package for RTR rig. As for the battery tray, it comes with a Shorty battery tray installed. I recommend using a Shorty LiPo battery, but in case you want to longer runtime, Knightrunner does come with a wider battery tray as an option. As for the weight distribution, out of the box, Knightrunner has a 55-45% weight distribution with an overall weight of 2,310 grams. I normally use a 1300 milliamp hour 3S LiPo. With it, the weight distribution changes to 57-43% with overall weight of 2,432 grams. So what's my plan for the Knightrunner? I want to build it up for a scale trail truck. I bought the truck because I fell in love with the Toyota Tacoma body. I want to keep it as scale as possible by adding on downloadable Knight custom accessories such as the interiors, light buckets, inner fenders, etc. But at the same time make some performance upgrades by adding a full component of Bauhaus upgrade such as the aluminum servo mounting plate, low CG battery tray, B2 steering rack with bump stops, CNC machine belt cranks, etc. I am super excited to make the changes and take this rig out for its first testing. So stay tuned for my next video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching Big Hobbies.